Well, this is Michael Douville coming to you from beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. It's October 1st, 2020, and I spoke to Charles Nenner yesterday. We had a long conversation, both on screen and off. You know, I really enjoy Dr. Nenner. He's a very brilliant man, and he's a very gracious and humble man. He's very easy to talk to, very articulate. Now, I'm in the real estate business, and I deal with a lot with baby boomers. You know that my business is mostly baby boomers, and we provide income streams for baby boomers. Now, one of the concerns I have is that Dr. Nenner was very, very specific in that bonds are in trouble. Now, for most of my clients, income is what we're looking for. We're getting to the age where we're spending some of our money, we're retired, we need that income to pay the bills, and a lot of my clients have bond portfolios. Dr. Nenner was very, very adamant about the fact that bonds are at risk. Please talk to your financial advisors to see if you have any bonds that maybe are at risk in your portfolio. Keep in mind we have credit risk in a lot of the industries in America, and a lot of the industrials and some of the retailers, I mean hotels and malls and restaurants, a lot of the big retailers, they have bonds. That's what they how they borrow money, and they're struggling. If they're struggling, they may not pay those bonds, and you could have a default, and that would be a tremendous loss. Now, I say this because at our age, if you lose 40% of your portfolio, you're not going to feel very wealthy at all. You lose 40% of your portfolio, you're not going to feel like taking that big cruise or taking the kids on that Disney cruise or going to sending them to school or buying that car for one of your favorite grandchildren. So it's just not going to happen. And you start getting very conservative. So we don't want to lose that money. So talk to your financial professional and see if that is something is in your portfolio that you need to be concerned about. The other part of the conversation that we had, and again, and I want to stress this, is the fact that he thinks interest rates are going up. That's certainly going to impact your bond portfolio, but it's going to impact my business. Now, a lot of my baby boomers, we just pay cash for everything we buy, so it's not, we don't really regard too much with mortgages. But if you're starting out and we're running into the accumulation phase, which is going to run right into the explosive phase where you're going to want to have these properties because it's such a compelling investment, and my personal view, and of course my timing model shows that we're going to go to significantly higher prices. That means you need to have inventory to let it run and to appreciate. And we want to leverage some of this. We're not going to put 5% down or 10% down, but we're certainly going to leverage. As rates go up, we're going to be able to leverage less and less and less. So it becomes very imperative that we have this window of opportunity. I don't know how long it's going to be, but in talking with Dr. Nenner, he was very concerned about it. So I'm assuming that it's something that we need to really pay attention to. So if you have any grandkids that want to buy something and you want to get them you want to provide a down payment, maybe you want to give them that 5 or 10% that need to get a down payment, now's the time to do that. Well, interest rates are still at a historic low. We need to get that. Talk to your financial advisors. Talk to your mortgage brokers. If you have any refinance that you're going to do, if you want to have any free and clear properties that you want to take some money out, now would certainly be the time to do that. If you're going to do any leveraging, this is the time we really need to sit down and consult. Keep in mind, I'm always open to sitting down and talking with you, particularly you as my clients. We do this on a day-by-day basis. So talk to your advisors. I'm here in Phoenix. We can do a Zoom. You can call me on the phone. Keep in mind, my Phoenix number is area code 602-942-4200. You're welcome to get hold of me at michael@michaeldeville.com. My best to you guys. Bye-bye.